Remote Work Fast Track Essential Digital Skills for Global Jobs, proudly presented by EqualMint Education Hub. Imagine working from anywhere in the world, earning in strong currencies, and building a career on your own terms. That's the power of remote work, and it's waiting for you. A huge welcome to you. This is a complete 2-hour certification course, perfect for absolute beginners. No experience needed, just your determination and a device with internet. You're already on your way. Here's what you'll master by the end: remote work basics that open global doors, freelancing fundamentals to land your first clients, essential digital tools that make you productive, and proven beginner methods to start earning real money online. Why remote work right now? Because companies worldwide are hiring globally. You get total flexibility in your schedule, and you can earn in USD or stablecoins, creating financial freedom you've always wanted. The incredible benefits: true freedom to live and work anywhere, endless opportunities with international clients, and rapid skill growth that boosts your confidence and income. Yes, there are challenges like managing your time, clear communication, and learning new tools. But this course equips you to overcome them easily and thrive. High demand roles waiting for beginners: virtual assistant, content writer, social media manager, graphic designer, customer support. These jobs are exploding online. We've structured the course into 4 powerful modules, each about 30 minutes, so you can learn step by step and finish feeling ready to launch. You'll master tools that top remote workers use every day: Google Workspace, Canva, Trello, Notion, Slack. Simple yet powerful. Here's your reward: an official EqualMint certification, proof of your new skills, great for profiles and job applications. How to learn best: follow every instruction, complete the practice tasks, take clear notes, because action turns knowledge into real results. Are you excited? Let's start Module 1 right now. Your remote work journey begins here.